I'm Kelli Warner. When parents have medical questions, it's common to just Google it, but not all information found online is accurate or credible, and it should never replace seeing your doctor. Pediatrician Dr. Pilar Bradshaw understands that when parents need medical information, they want it quickly, and they often turn to the internet to find it.
The problem with Googling information about medical care for your child is there's so much information on the internet now, and not all of it is good.
And especially now, in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, it's important to contact your physician immediately if your child becomes sick. The coronavirus has many of the same symptoms as other illnesses. Children can spread the virus even if their symptoms are mild, and testing for the virus is the only way to determine for sure if it's COVID-19.
If your child has symptoms of illness, then call your doctor. Let them set up a way to test for your child to make sure that we can identify if your child is sick and prevent your child from going into another environment, infecting other children in a school, a daycare, or even at home.
If you do look for medical information on the internet, it's important to consider who's behind the information. Check out the site's About Us page. Are they health professionals? What are their credentials? Where does the information come from? Is it based on research findings published in reputable medical journals? Is the information objective? And is the information current? Beware of undated content or broken links. At EugenePeds.com, Eugene Pediatric Associates website, parents can access evidence-based information on a wide range of topics regarding children's health and development. The award-winning site has been accessed by parents in every state in the U.S. and 97 countries around the world.
I think one of the things about the site that's really nice is that you can search common conditions for your kids' medical problems and find some medically accurate information for that middle of the night earache or fever.
Online information can be helpful, but providers at Eugene Pediatric say it's no substitute for seeing your doctor.
All of these websites have disclaimers that you are still responsible for how you follow the information. So I think that even if you find what you're looking for, if there's a problem that you're really concerned about, that is always worth a call to your doctor's office.
For a list of Dr. Bradshaw's most recommended websites for children's health information, head to eugenepeds.com/healthykids. I'm Kelli Warner.